Yes.
Good morning, my dear students. Very good morning. Okay. Previous class, chapter number 3, linear equations in one variable, already started. So now continue exercise 3.2. Continue. Exercise 3.2 is there. Continue. Right? The last question stopped with 5th question over. Now 6th question is there. What is there? 6th question, applications problem. Application problem is there means you read the question, you have to write the equation inside. So how to writing? I already said that. Okay. Now 6th question is there. Question number 6. Three consecutive integers, three consecutive integers add up to 51. What are these integers? The question is there. Very clear question is there. What is there? Three consecutive integers. Integers means here plus or minus. Question inside is there? Yeah. Positive is given, positive, not negative. Integers is there. Which integers? Positive integers is there. Read question. Correctly see the question. What is there? Yeah, is there. Three consecutive integers. Integers means it become a plus or minus. Here, yard is there means what? Positive integers. Up to 51. What are these numbers? What are these integers? So question is there. Conjugate to three integers means what? Not given. Three conjugative integers means how to write in integers? Simple is there. See, Sulochana, let the three consecutive integers B x plus x, conjugative integers x plus 1 and x plus 2. This is conjugative integers. How to write in x plus 1, x plus 2. 3 as 4 means what? X plus 3. 5 means what? X plus 4. Like this you have to write in. So question inside how many integers is given? 3 consecutive integers is given or 4 consecutive integers are given. First you see the question. 3 consecutive integers. Let the 3 consecutive integers be x plus 1 and x plus 2. Yard up to 51 means according to this question, according to this statement or question, this statement, according to this statement, what happened? 3 conjugative integers add up to 51. 3 conjugative numbers are that means what? X plus into the bracket x plus 1 bracket close plus add is there that is plus again x plus 2 is equal to up to means what? Is equal to 51. Up to 51. So 51. So remove this bracket x plus x plus 1 plus x plus 2 is equal to 51. So here also x is there, here also x is there, here also x is there, same variable. The previous class algebraic expression, the first chapter I started the algebraic expression. Why? Because of in the side of variables, constant number, which are constant number, monomial means what, binomial means what, how to multiply the monomial to binomial, binomial to binomial, trinomial to trinomial. Why? Because started means what? Algebraic expression, understood the concept. First algebraic expression understood, automatically linear equation will be understood. So x plus 1, x plus 2. Here also same variable is there. How many x's are there? 3 is there. 1x plus 1x plus 1x. 3x plus constant number plus 1 plus 2. 3 is equal to 51. So 3x is equal to 51 plus 3 is the transfer in other side, minus 3 plus transfer in other side, plus becomes minus, plus becomes minus, minus becomes plus. When you transfer LHS to RHS or RHS to LHS, sign will be changed. Right? So 3x is equal to 51 minus 3. 51 minus 3, 48. So 3x is equal to 48. So x is equal to, here multiplied is there, 48, here multiplied, divided by 3. 3 ones are, 3 ones are. So 3 is a 4 inside 3 gone, 1 remain. 3 6 are 18. So x is equal to 16. X is equal to 16. This x value substitute in the inside of 3 conjugative integers inside. We get a 3 conjugative integers are. Therefore x plus 1 and x plus 2. So x value 16, then 16 plus 1, then 9 and 16 plus 2. So 16, 17 and 16 plus 2, 18. So therefore the 3 conjugative integers are 16, 17 and 18. This is the answer, my dear students. So like this how doing. Or understood, my dear students, this concept is very important for 2 marks or 3 marks. Question is there. So it's very important. So understood this question? Very simple. Let's see how to adding, how to subtracting, how to add, doing this problem. The very simple is there, right? So like this, how to doing the 3 conjugative integers. Next question is there. 7th question is there. Same is there. 7th question. Are you understood? Shall I attempt this one? Yes. Question number 7. So what is the C? The sum of 3 conjugative multiples. The sum of 3 conjugative multiples of 8. The sum of 3 conjugative multiples of 8 is 888. 888. Find the multiples. Find the multiples. Find the multiples is there. So how to doing this one? Multiple is there. So sum is there. Sum means what? Adding is there. So how to doing, sir? Multiples also is there. And adding also is there. How to doing this one? The concept is there. The So very important. What are you doing? How to doing this one? This is very important. So how to doing, sir? This is very important. How to doing? So very simple then. Let the three conjugative multiples of three conjugative multiples of 8 is three conjugative integers. First you have to write three conjugative: x plus 1, y, x plus 2. First three consecutive numbers. So here multiples is there. Three consecutive multiples. According to this question, multiples is what? According to this question, x plus 8 into the brackets. Sorry, multiples is there. X plus 8 ones are 8 plus x plus 8 twos are 16 is equal to 88. You have to multiply 8 twos are 16, 8 ones are 8, nothing inside, x is x. So x plus 8 plus x plus 16 is equal to 888. So x 3x plus 8 plus 16 24 is equal to 888. So 3x is equal to 888 plus 24 is there. Transfer in other side minus 24. Then 3x is equal to 888 minus 24. 4, 6, 8, 864. So x is equal to 864 divided by this 3. Why? Because the multiple is there. 3 ones are 3 twos are 6. 2 remain. 3 8s are 24. 2 remain. Then 24. 3 8s are 24. So x is equal to 288. X is equal to 288 remain. So the sum of three consecutive multiples of 8 is 88. Find the multiples. Find the multiples what? So therefore x plus 8, x plus 16. Find x plus 16. So what happened? So x is there what? 288. So 288 plus 8. Then find 288, x value 288 plus 16. 288, then 8 plus 8, 16, carry 1. 8 plus 1, 9, 296, 9. So 8 plus 6, 14, carry 1. Carry 1. So 8 plus 1, 9, 9 plus 1, 10, carry 1. 2 plus 1, 3, 3 not 4. Therefore, the sum of three conjugative multiples of the three conjugative multiples of the numbers are 288, 296 and 304. This is the answer, my dear students. Like this you have to do the answer. So this is very important question is there, how to multiply, how to doing this problem. So very simple is there, you have to doing like this, my dear students. Any doubt is there? You ask. No doubt is there. That's what we are going to next question. So next question is what? what is the answer. So very simple is the next question also. If this understood or not? Yes. Okay. So let's go next question. Next question is there. The very simple is there. The very simple mathematics is there. 8th question. Eighth question is there. 3 consecutive integers are the 3 consecutive integers are such that when they when they are taken in increasing order, they are taken in increasing order and multiplied by 2, 3 and 4 respectively. What lovely? Respectively, not a fair and lovely. Keep it in your mind. They add up to 74. They add up to 74. They add up to 74. Find these numbers. Find these numbers. Like this question is there. So very simple is there, my dear friends. Very simple is there. How to adding, how to subtracting, how to adding the 3 consecutive integers. Already you know. So first dialogue. The 3 consecutive integers are x plus 1, x plus 2. The 3 consecutive integers are x plus 1 and x plus 2. The question you have to read such that when they are taken in increasing order. Increasing means what? Smallest to biggest, not biggest to smallest. Increasing order, and multiplied by 2, 3, and 4 respectively. According to this question, according to this statement, see what happened. See, according to this question, such that when they are taken in increasing order, multiplied by. So increasing order, multiply 2 into the bracket x, 2 into the bracket x plus 1, right? And 4 into the bracket x plus 2. So this, according to this statement, how to multiply increasing order, smallest to biggest. How to multiply like this? 3 integers will be done. Multiply 2 into the bracket x, 2 into the bracket x plus 1, and 4 into the bracket x plus 2. Sorry, here 3 is there. Here 3 is there. Number 3, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4 multiply. And question respectively, not a fair and lovely. So they add up to 74. Add is there, add, not difference, not subtraction. Adding is there. So here 2 into x, 2x plus 3 into the bracket x plus 1 plus 4 into the bracket x plus 2. Add up to 74. Add up to 74. Then 2x as it is plus monomial to binomial. Algebraic expression. Go for algebraic expression. Monomial to binomial multiplication. See this 3 multiply this both the integers. 3 into x, 3x plus into plus 3 ones are 3 plus 4 into x, 4x plus into plus 4 twos are 8 is equal to 74. Am I right? So variable x kalle one side x 2x plus 3x 5x plus 4x 9x plus constant number 3 plus 8 plus 3 are 3 plus 8 11 is equal to 74. Now 9x is equal to 74 plus 11 is there, transfer in other side minus 11. So 9x is equal to 74 minus 7, 4 minus 1 3, 4 minus 1 3, so 7 minus 1 6, 63. Then x is equal to 63 divided by this 9, multiply is there, divide by 9 ones are 9 sevens are 63. X is equal to 7. My dear students, x is equal to 7. The 3 consecutive integers are what? So therefore 3 consecutive integers x plus 1 and x plus 2. We have to take first. So x value 7, 7 plus 1, and 7 plus 2, 7, 7 plus 1, 8 and 9. The 3 integers. And you have to add in. For example, what came? 7, 8, 9. You have to do plus. 9 plus 8, 17. 17 plus 7, 24. So here 24 came. So add up to how much is there is given? 74. Add up to 74 is given. When we will do verification. And again one thing is there. The 3 conjugative integers are 3 conjugative integers are 7, 8, and 9. So here add up to 74. Verification will be 74. This is 24 came. Now multiplied by increasing order into 2, into 3, into 4. See here. 7 2s are 14. 8 3s are 24. 9 4s are 36. Yeah, this 6 plus 4 10, 10 plus 4 14, carry 1. So 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 1 7, 74. When that asking is add up to 7. So multiply by increasing order. First, what is the question? The 3 consecutive integers are 7, 8, 9. Then like this also question asks means what? Multiply the answer means what will come? 74. You have to multiply it. Increasing order will come answer. So you take this one. When you take this one, automatically will come that answer. So don't confusion. The taken in increasing order multiplied by 2, 3, and 4. When you taken in increasing order, this is 24 came. Now to multiply 2, 3, 4, we get a 74. So concept is there. What is the 3 consecutive integers? The 3 consecutive integers are 7, 8, and 9. When also increasing multiplied consecutive integers means what? This one will come. 14, 24 and 36. Answer. Both answer if you ask means what? The answer is there. Multiplied the sum of three consecutive integers. Multiplied 3 consecutive integers means 14, 24, 36. Only the 3 consecutive integers are this one answer. So don't confusion. Answer will be same. This answer also is correct and this answer is also correct. When you multiply the numbers. So my dear friends, like this you have to do in the problems, application problems. Are you understood, my dear friends? Any doubt is there? No doubts? Shall I go next question? Okay. So next question is there. The ages of Rahul and Arun. So next question. 9th question. Ninth question is there. So very simple ninth question. The ages of Rahul and Arun is there. I will take next class. So again some totally 16 problems is there. Next class I will completing the problems. Okay, my dear students, any doubt is there means what? Ask. Don't sit like this only. Okay. Okay, well, do well, and anything is given else is there is a I will complete the solution, complete the doubts also. Okay? Don't keep in your mind like this one, sir, how doing this, not understood. So, don't keep in your mind like this. Okay, my dear students? Okay, do well. All the best.